Sangai festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian state? So Sangai festival is a 1 week long festival celebrated in Manipur. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Nagoba Jatara, a tribal festival, is held in the state of, so it is held in the state of Telangana in the district Adilabad. Option E is the correct answer. It is second biggest tribal carnival celebration. Next question. The Madhavpur Mela is held in which of the following state? So Madhavpur Mela is held in the state of Gujarat. This is 7-day festival to celebrate immortal journey of Lord Krishna and Rukmani from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. Next question. Birhadeswara temple is one of the largest South Indian temples. This temple is built on which of the following architecture? So this is built in Dravidian architecture. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. Mamallapuram dance festival is associated with which of the following state? So it is associated with Tamil Nadu. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Gariya dance is a famous traditional dance of which of the following Indian state? So it is Tripura. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Which Indian state has got GI, that is Geographical Indication tag, for Sujini embroidery work? So it is Bihar. It got this in 2006. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The present Somnath temple located in Kathiawar region of Gujarat is the 7th temple built on the original site. It was completed on, so Somnath temple was completed on 1st December 1995. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Teratali is the folk dance of, so it is the folk dance of Rajasthan. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Match the fact of list 1 and list 2, then answer which choice is correct. List 1 have some names and list 2 are places like from where they are, they belong, or their birthplaces. So we know Saint Tukaram is one of the Bhakti movement saint. He was from Maharashtra. So C is B. Guru Nanak, he is the founder of Sikh religion. He is from Punjab. That is B is C. We know Adi Guru Sankaracharya was born in Kerala. Kerala was also known as Malabar. So D is A. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was from Bengal. So A is D. So in options we can find A, D only in option C, and let's check the other. A, D, B, C, C, B and D, A. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Bonsai is a Japanese art of, so it is an art of growing small tree. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. What does the car festival of Puri commemorate? So car festival is Rath Yatra. So the Rath Yatra is done with Lord Jagannath, that is Lord Krishna, his journey from Gokul to Mathura with his brother Balram and sister Subhadra. So the answer to this question is B. Next question. The place where Lord Krishna explains the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita is Kurukshetra, where the 18 days long Mahabharata took place. The Padmapani and Vajrapani painting are found in which cave of India? So it is found in Ajanta cave, Maharashtra. Next question. Which of the following sport involves animal? But it is Jallikattu. Whereas Malakumba is a type of gymnast. Lagori is the one with 7 stones kept one above the other. And Valamkali is the boat race. So the answer is option A, Jallikattu. Next question. which tribal community in Madhya Pradesh celebrates Bhagoria festival? So this is Bahirs and Bhilalas. So option A is the correct answer for the mock. What contribution has been made by Ernest Benfield Havel, that is E.B. Havel, in the Indian culture and art? So he is the one to build Government College for Art in Calcutta. So option B is the correct answer, as it says E.B. Havel made efforts in establishing the Bengal School of Art. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. The last series of wall painting in India are from near Hindupur belonging to 16th century AD are from Lepakshi temple. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Tamasa, the traditional folk theatre form of Maharashtra, have evolved from the folk forms of Gondal, Jagran and Kirtan. So option A is the correct answer. Next and the last question. In Nepal, the festival of light, that is Diwali, is celebrated by some Buddhists as it is Tihar and Swanti both. So option C is the correct answer, as it says of both option A and B.